I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so right now I have 12 categories. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to share with you on how to avoid your account being deactivated and being removed from the categories. Okay, right now I already have, I think, 13 categories right now. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So I'm gonna share with you on how to prevent from deactivation from the categories. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so right now I have 12 categories where I work on, but basically I focusing these categories because they have the higher rate. But when it comes to the newcomers, the best categories that I will be recommend to you guys to start at this category. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's been a while I did not upload, guys. I got so busy, so but I have to continue um to share with you guys for this platform. It's actually a good platform, and it's reliable. You will be able to earn weekly as long as you are going to reach to $20. Okay, so I forgot where is it. For the beginners, I will advise to start here, this one. Okay, start here, and then even if you are not going to work with the other category, as long as you will have 100% grade in this category, it will open another categories. So make it sure you will understand everything for in the instruction. Okay, because when you are new to this platform, you will get easily confused with the category. So make sure to focus first on this category. Don't worry, guys, as long as you will reach 100% with your grade, it will open another category that has a higher rate. Okay, so don't confuse yourself to work this category, another category, or another category. Focus first to the first category, and then once you understood everything in this category, you can move on to another category, and then make it sure that you understood, because once you will drop your ratings, like I don't know exactly what's the percentage that they will remove you from the category. Okay, so make it sure that you understood each category. Okay, so the best I found an idea on how to avoid the the activation of the category. Okay, so because for me, I have a lot of mistakes too when it comes to the new categories. Okay, but I will explain to you guys. Okay, let me go back first to the category for the beginners. Okay, beginners, you can start it here. Okay, make it sure you will get 100% of your grade, and then after, I think, 2 weeks only. I think 2 weeks. Okay, their category will be open. Okay, so I think the next category will be open is hold on, guys. Okay, this one, the inbound. Okay, another, this one, the inbound. So Even if this one will be open to you, just continue to work with the first category which was already open to you, because even if you have this category and then you will have a lot of mistakes, this category, it can be removed from your category. Okay, so make it sure to maintain this, to work on this category. I'm sorry. Forgive me, guys, because of my voice. I am sick right now, but I'm trying to, because it's been a while. I really wanted to share about the um the learnings that I've been experiencing this platform, and I really wanted to share with you guys, even if I'm sick right now. But I really wanted it to share to you guys because it's um it's a good company. Even if I read a lot of what do we call this one, review in Facebook, they said it's not a good company, but as long as you will work honestly, and then do not duplicate accounts, guys. For one person, make it one account only, because they will be able to know it if you have multiple account, and then they're gonna remove you from this platform. So make it sure for one person, one account and one PayPal account only. Okay, so let's continue, guys. Okay, and the next one after this one, it will be open to you, this one, and then it follows another category. I think this one, the reason for outbound calls, it follows as long as you have a good grade. Okay, so I will tell you right now how to maintain your, or how to avoid um being removed from the category. Okay, so we will go to the um audit report. I will show you. I have a lot of mistakes too, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. Okay, let's continue, guys. We will click it here, the audit report. What I will advise with you guys, to always check with your audit report. Okay, we'll continue. So this is the audit report. Okay, this is the audit report. But last week, guys, I have a lot of mistakes. But when it comes to mistakes, I will monitor my mistakes. Okay, the first thing you have to do, guys, once there's some mistakes, you have to click it here and listen the conversation, and then when if you believe that the reviewer got it wrong, so you can dispute your report. This one, you can click it here, and then you have to make a report that you believe the reviewer got it wrong. As long as you are correct, guys, don't be afraid to send message to them that they got it wrong. Right now, the most important thing why I make this video, I want to share with you guys on how you will be able to avoid being removed from any category. It's actually effective. Okay, so every morning you have to visit your audit report and then count it, guys. Like for example, this one, I got it wrong February 1, but I had a lot of mistake last week. But first, guys, you have to check each category. Okay, so you are allowed to have a mistake five, no, not five category, guys, four mistakes each category. Okay, and you also have to monitor the date. Like for example, this one, or I will make an example this one. Okay, so for example, guys, January 30, like for example, guys, this is just an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the category would be the same. Okay, this one outbound, 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 and you got it wrong. Okay, because you did not monitor your audit report. Like for example, you got it wrong here, wrong also here and here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will be removed from this category. Okay, so make it sure that each category, guys, you will not exceed 5 mistakes. Okay, so for example, you got the mistake like consecutive 3 days, like this one. You got a mistake, one mistake. um for example, guys, this is 30, and then 29, 28, 27, and 26. Okay, so for example, this is, you got mistake here, the same category. Okay, for example, one mistake, two mistake, three mistake, four mistakes. Okay, so the first, remember guys, when you reach your mistakes at 4, okay, the same category. Okay, I'll make it sure that the same category, outbound, 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 and consecutive 4 days wrong. Okay, 26, 27, 28, 29. Do not work on 30, the same category. Move on to another category. Okay, so leave it for 1 day. Okay, so for example, you have another category, so leave it for now. Do not work this category. Okay, because it's already 4 mistakes and then consecutive for um 4 days already. So when you got it wrong here on the 5th, so they're gonna remove you from this category. Okay, so the best thing you have to do, okay, move to another category like this. Okay, work with another category. Okay, for example, this one, you can work this one, this category, the whole day. Okay, but make it sure to monitor your audit report. Okay, that's very important, guys, to stay in this platform. Okay, always check your audit report. Okay, okay guys, I'm going to show with you guys my accuracy. See, as you can see it here, I have 100%, 87%, 66%, and I got 50%. Okay, but this grade, it doesn't mean that all of your account, all of your reviews, like for example 50% the rate, because here, we will read it for you guys. So accuracy score are not reflection of every review you have completed. Okay, our system calculate accuracy by sampling a fraction of your reviews from 14 days. So like for example, you will have a lot of mistake within a day, and then example, you have 4 mistakes, 3 mistakes with this category. Your accuracy will drop to like 50%, 60%, but they're not gonna remove your um they will not remove you from this category, because this report represent for the past 14 days. Okay, so don't be worried guys if your accuracy will drop to like 50%, 66, 87. Because last 2 weeks ago, I everything here was 100%. 100%, 100%, and 100%. And this week, I got 87%, 66%, and 50%. But they did not remove me from this category because I monitor my mistakes. Okay? Even here, you can see here, I have all the category. Some of them 0% because I did not work on that category. I'll just focusing here, this one, this one. I focus on this category because it's easy and then it's more faster and it has higher rate. This actually has a higher rates too, but um, prone to mistakes. This one, this category, prone to mistakes. Okay, so every time I got a mistakes, guys, I go this. I run to this category because it's easier for me. So I run. So look for the cat- uh, category that's it's good to maintain your accuracy. So I have here 100%. So I think that's all for now I could share with you guys to avoid being removed from the category of this platform. So I think that's the best thing I could advise for now. So later on, once I discover another um, tricks or ideas, I will share it with you guys. Okay? Okay, you guys, that's it for now. So, as I promised, if I got another idea on how to maximize your earnings, I am going to share it with you guys. So for now, that's it for now because I think it's very important to stay in this platform regarding the our mistakes in this platform. So um you can comment down below also, guys, what you want me to discuss about this platform. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps you guys for a little way. I really wanted to help some people too that who would like to earn online, for those the people who doesn't want to apply or another job, or who want, or for those people that they don't have any idea on how to have an income, everyday income. So I really wanted to share with you guys. So that's it for now. So thank you so much for watching, and also for those newcomers, new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. And also you can share my channel too for those people who wanted to earn daily income. Because I could say in this platform I'm earning not good amount but stable amount. So every day I could earn from $1 and or to $4. It depends if I will devote my time. If I devote my time, I will be able to earn daily about $7. That's the maximum I could earn right now in this platform within a day. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.